Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you add multiple sizes in eBay for your listings. So let's get into the video. So once you get into your eBay, so once you are logged in, what you have to do is we'll just go to the page where we list something. So I'm just going to list an item just for demonstration. So when you're listing your item, okay, so for example, I'm going to sell a shoe. So I'll just choose something random. All right. Okay. So select your item, whatever that you want to sell. Okay. All right. Okay. So once you get to this page here, where you provide the details of the product that you're listing. So here, so you can add your photos and all this informations here according to your item. So once you get to the item specific section here, for example here, item specifics. So here, for example, if you want to add multiple sizes, for example, in my case, I'm listing a shoe, so shoe sizes. So all you have to do is, what I have to do is click on under shoe size here, click on show all. So here, what you can do is you can enter the size that you want. For example, um, 11. Okay. And what you have to all you have to do is, once you can type the shoe size, and then what you have to do is separate it by a comma. So you just have to type a comma, and then your if you have multiple sizes, so just add a comma and then plug a key in your next size, for example 13, then comma again, and then probably 15, and so on, like whatever sizes you have. So you can just type those in, just separate it by a comma. And once you have done that, then just click on under add custom value, just click on that, and now that's selected. So now you should once you have completed everything and hit on list, once you list this item, then you should see your multiple shoe sizes or multiple sizes that you just entered. It should be available. So that's what it is. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.